Starting with a massive pantry, this RV has a ton of great features that make it the ultimate kitchen. Residential refrigerator, farmhouse stainless steel sink with really cool features and fixtures, lots of storage. You've got a dishwasher, 4-burner stovetop, oven down below, microwave up top. They're calling this a breakfast bar, but I think honestly, in the case of what this RV can bring to you, this is a breakfast bar, a lunch bar, a dinner bar, but most importantly, with that massive screen television over there, that looks like a football TV bar to me. Go Titans! And even with smaller RVs like this Class B right here, they're getting super creative in the kitchen. This is actually an induction cooktop stove right on top of your countertop. You have a bar top right here, residential refrigerator, and I love the fact that they have color matched it to the interior. 6-burner stove, convection microwave up top. Look at this oven, beautiful. And then over here, farmhouse sink, color matched to the countertop. And check this out, a full fiberglass countertop, the front cap opened up with a window, giving you all this beautiful access to see outside, soft closed drawers, hidden garbage can and recycling bin, and central air on the inside to keep you cool while you're cooking your favorite meal. Residential everything inside this RV, starting with your refrigerator right here, then you spin around over here. That's right, even a dishwasher, residential size sink, an oven right here, 4-burner stovetop, and a microwave. And this one happens to be a hidden pantry, and I love the way they have designed this. You're gonna be able to hang your television right here, but it's all about the kitchen. And this is a front kitchen with a farmhouse stainless steel sink. You got the beautiful fixture up on top, a cup rinser, but this is even better, down below. That's not just a microwave, that is a microwave with an air fryer, plenty of lighting up on top, 3-burner stove. You wanna get into gourmet cooking? You're gonna be able to do it with this kitchen. All right, so one thing about having the ultimate kitchen in an RV is having space, right? So you've got your pantry right here with 4 levels. You can stow a lot of stuff away. Look how deep these are. Makes it really, really easy to stow a lot of stuff away. This is a massive commercial refrigerator by Bosch, and all the appliances in here are by Bosch. Counter space is something that I like to talk about because it's prime real estate inside an RV, and there's so much of it. And so what they do with this RV is they hide Easter eggs under each one of these little panels. So you got your stainless steel sink. Under here is where you're gonna do all your stovetop cooking. So you've got this little area right here. I love it, and it's induction, also by Bosch. Up top, Bosch microwave. It's a convection microwave, keeps things easy. Then down below, talk about an Easter egg, right? You got your dishwasher down here. You got a nice little pull out right here. This will all recess into the side of the RV so you can stow it away while you're out there on the road. But I want to close with this, is all about the beautiful fit and finish. I mean, when you're cooking a gourmet meal, don't you want to have a gourmet kitchen that looks awesome too? If you want to check out more features like this, go to GoRVing.com.